Student loans are a great way for students in Nigeria to finance their education. However, it is important to understand the basics of student loans and choose a loan provider that suits your needs. By doing so, you can ensure that you have the financial support you need to achieve your academic goals. In this video, you find out all you need to know about student loan and how to apply for student loan in your country. A student loan in Nigeria, understanding the basics. In Nigeria, the cost of tertiary education can be quite high, making it difficult for many students to afford. This is where student loans come in. Student loans are financial aids that help students pay for their tuition, accommodation, and other educational expenses. In this blog post, we will be discussing the basics of student loans in Nigeria. What types of student loans? Keep watching. There are two types of student loans in Nigeria: federal student loans and private student loans. Federal student loans. Federal student loans are loans provided by the federal government to students who are enrolled in tertiary institutions in Nigeria. These loans are administered by the National Universities Commission, NUS, and the National Board for Technical Education, NBT. The interest rate on federal student loans is relatively low, and students are given a grace period of 6 months after graduation before they are required to start repaying the loan. Private student loans. Private student loans are loans provided by private financial institutions to students who are enrolled in tertiary institutions in Nigeria. These loans have higher interest rates than federal student loans and may require a cosigner. Eligibility for student loans. To be eligible for a student loan in Nigeria, you must meet the following criteria. You must be a Nigerian citizen. You must be enrolled in a tertiary institution in Nigeria. You must have a guarantor who is a Nigerian citizen. You must have a good credit score. Now, how to apply for a student loan? To apply for a student loan in Nigeria, you need to follow these steps. 1. Research and compare different student loan providers in Nigeria. 2. Choose a student loan provider that suits your needs. 3. Fill out the application form and provide all necessary documents. 4. Wait for the loan provider to review your application. 5. If approved, sign the loan agreement and receive the funds. Repaying student loans. Repaying student loans in Nigeria is usually done through monthly installments. The repayment period varies depending on the loan provider and the amount borrowed. It is important to make timely payments to avoid defaulting on the loan. Student loans are a great way for students in Nigeria to finance their education. However, it is important to understand the basics of student loans and choose a loan provider that suits your needs. By doing so, you can ensure that you have the financial support you need to achieve your academic goals.